Welcome here at Babylon's Toren. I am just going clivier crazy on Babylon's Toren. And yes, I also have some of my favorites in the garden. One of my real favorites is one of the few scented cliviers that one finds. This particular one was bred at Kirstenbosch by crossing two yellow cliviers. A scented clivier that was yellow and one that wasn't scented, and created this beautiful Kirstenbosch Supreme. The form of this head is just awesome. If you look at my hands, the flowers actually envelope it. It's almost like it's a soccer ball of color and beauty. And then, ever so faint, that smell of azaleas. And then also the pollen on the nose for us that struggle with sinus. But this is really one of those true beauties within our garden. Beautiful shaped petals, lovely stamens to the outside, but that faint smell. One to look out for here at Babylon's Toren.